Puckipuppy Labrador off-road e-bike is an impressive sight. The bike's frame, adorned in a rugged camouflage pattern, immediately signals its intent as an adventure-ready machine. The large 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires are designed to tackle the most challenging terrains, providing both stability and traction. The overall build is robust, with a 6061 aluminum alloy frame that ensures durability while maintaining a relatively lightweight profile of 75 pounds. The bike also features a padded leather saddle for comfort, a sturdy aluminum alloy kickstand, and an integrated LED display that provides real-time riding data. Okay, let's get this bike assembled. First, I removed the packaging straps and removed the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down and slid the e-bike out carefully. Standing the e-bike up, I removed all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Puckipuppy Labrador off-road e-bike. Next, I installed the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars, and rotating them to align to my preferred riding position, before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, I loosened the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork, added the front wheel, and tightened the bolts to ensure it was secure. The pedals were clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. I screwed in the pedals and used a wrench to further tighten them easily. Lastly, I installed the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the front fork, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. The Puckipuppy Labrador is equipped with a powerful 750-watt hub motor, delivering strong power output, making rides easier and faster. Paired with the 48-volt 20-amp battery, the bike offers an impressive range of 40 to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. The battery is supported by a battery management system BMS that provides overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, and over-temperature protection, ensuring safe and efficient battery operation. The e-bike boasts a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, allowing for precise and smooth shifting performance. The drivetrain features a direct mount 1-to-7 speed system, a 210mm forged alloy crankset, and an anti-embroidery chain, all contributing to an excellent riding experience across various terrains. The hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent braking performance and sensitive response, ensuring safe and controlled stops. Designed for comfort and control, the Puckipuppy Labrador features an adjustable suspension fork and spring shock absorber that effectively reduces bumps and vibrations, offering a smooth ride even on rough patches. The thumb, throttle, and pedal cadence sensor enhances the bike's responsiveness, allowing for smooth acceleration and improved riding safety. A camouflage e-bike like the Puckipuppy Labrador is ideal for a variety of outdoor activities, where blending into natural surroundings is beneficial. For wildlife photographers, the bike's discreet appearance allows them to approach animals more closely without disturbing them, providing an edge in capturing elusive shots. Environmental researchers and conservationists can also benefit using the camouflage bike to traverse sensitive ecosystems with minimal visual disruption. Additionally, outdoor enthusiasts such as bird watchers and nature lovers can use the bike for quiet exploration of trails and forested areas, immersing themselves in the environment while reducing the chance of startling wildlife. This makes the Camo e-bike an excellent tool for any activity that values stealth and low environmental impact. Taking the Puckipuppy Labrador for a ride in the North Georgia mountains is a thrilling experience. The region's diverse and challenging terrain serves as a perfect testing ground for the bike's capabilities. From steep inclines to rocky trails, the Labrador proves to be a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. As I set out on the trails, the first thing I notice is the bike's impressive power. The 750-watt motor provides ample assistance, making uphill climbs more manageable. However, on extremely steep hills, I still find myself needing to pedal to maintain momentum. This is not a drawback, but rather a testament to the bike's ability to balance motor assistance with the rider's effort, ensuring a more engaging and rewarding ride. The smooth transition between motor assistance and pedaling is seamless, contributing to a more natural riding experience. This harmony between technology and human effort enhances the overall enjoyment of the ride, making each pedal stroke feel purposeful and effective. The bike suspension system shines on rough terrain. The adjustable front fork and spring shock absorber do an excellent job of smoothing out the ride, absorbing shocks from rocks and roots that litter the trails. This makes for a much more comfortable experience, allowing me to focus on the ride rather than the bumps. The suspension system is highly responsive, adjusting to various terrains effortlessly, whether navigating through loose gravel, mud, or rocky paths. The Labrador suspension maintains stability and comfort. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining control and confidence on unpredictable trails. One of the standout features of the Labrador is its size. The large frame and fat tires make it a perfect fit for taller riders like myself. The bike feels sturdy and well balanced, providing confidence while navigating challenging sections of the trail. The padded leather saddle adds to the comfort, making long rides more enjoyable. The ergonomic design ensures that even after hours of riding, I remain comfortable and free from strain. This attention to rider comfort is a testament to Puckipuppy's commitment to delivering a superior riding experience. The bike's hydraulic disc brakes are highly effective, offering strong and reliable stopping power. This is particularly important when descending steep and rocky paths, where precise control over speed is crucial. The brakes respond quickly and efficiently, allowing for controlled and confident descents. The brake system reliably instills a sense of security, knowing that I can navigate any downhill section with ease and safety. Also, the LED front light proves useful, illuminating the path ahead during early morning or late evening rides. The bright and focused beam ensures that I can be seen, enhancing safety during low light conditions. Taking the Labrador through the North Georgia mountains, I encounter a variety of terrains that put the bike's capabilities to the test. The trails are a mix of loose dirt, gravel, and rocky sections, with steep inclines and declines. The bike handles these challenges with ease, showcasing its versatility and durability. The 750-watt motor shines during uphill climbs. The motor's power output is more than sufficient to tackle most inclines without breaking a sweat. On moderately steep hills, I can rely entirely on the motor's assistance, gliding up with minimal effort. However, on the steepest sections, I find that additional pedaling is necessary to maintain momentum. This combination of motor power and manual effort creates a dynamic and engaging riding experience. The ability to switch between relying on the motor and pedaling manually adds a layer of interactivity to the ride, making it both enjoyable and challenging. Descending steep paths is where the Labrador truly excels. The hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent control, allowing me to navigate descents with precision and confidence. The fat tires offer superb traction, ensuring that the bike remains stable even on loose and uneven surfaces. The suspension system absorbs most of the impact from rocks and roots, preventing jolts and vibrations from reaching the rider. The smooth handling is crucial for maintaining control and enjoying the ride, especially on more technical sections of the trail. The bike's ability to adapt to different terrains and riding conditions highlights its versatility and robustness. One of the key benefits of the Labrador is its suitability for long-distance rides. The comfortable padded saddle combined with the bike's ergonomic design ensures that I can ride for hours without experiencing discomfort. The bike's range, supported by the 48-volt 20-amp battery, is impressive. On a single charge, I can cover between 40 to 80 miles depending on the terrain and level of motor assistance used. This range is more than sufficient for a full day of adventure in the mountains. The bike's ability to maintain performance over long distances makes it an excellent choice for extended outdoor exploration. The Labrador is equipped with several additional features that enhance the overall riding experience. The integrated LED display is particularly useful, providing real-time data on speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This information helps me manage my ride more effectively, ensuring that I can plan my route and monitor my battery usage. The display's visibility is excellent, even in bright sunlight, making it easy to check my riding stats at a glance. The Puckipuppy Labrador is built to withstand the rigors of off-road riding. The 6061 aluminum alloy frame is both strong and lightweight, providing a solid foundation for the bike. The fat tires are durable and capable of handling rough terrains without showing signs of wear. The high-quality components, including the Shimano derailleur and hydraulic disc brakes, ensure that the bike performs reliably even under demanding conditions. This build quality gives me confidence that the Labrador will continue to perform well over time, making it a worthwhile investment for any adventure enthusiast. One of the standout aspects of the Labrador is its versatility. While it excels on off-road trails, it is equally capable on urban roads and bike paths. The bike's powerful motor and robust build make it suitable for a variety of riding environments. Whether I'm exploring mountain trails, commuting through the city, or enjoying a leisurely ride in the countryside, the Labrador adapts effortlessly. This versatility makes it an excellent all-around bike capable of meeting a wide range of riding needs and preferences. My overall experience with the Puckipuppy Labrador has been overwhelmingly positive. The bike's performance, comfort, and features combine to create a truly enjoyable riding experience. The powerful motor and smooth suspension make tackling challenging terrains a breeze, while the comfortable saddle and ergonomic design ensure that I can ride for hours without discomfort. The bike's high-quality components and durable build provide confidence in its longevity and reliability. The Puckipuppy Labrador off-road e-bike is a formidable machine designed for adventure enthusiasts. Its powerful motor, robust frame, and excellent suspension system make it well suited for tackling challenging terrains. The bike's technical features, including the 7-speed Shimano derailleur, hydraulic disc brakes, and integrated LED display, contribute to a superior riding experience. Riding the Labrador in the North Georgia mountains showcases capabilities in extreme conditions. The bike handles steep inclines and rough trails with ease, providing both power and comfort. Its large size and fat tires make it an ideal choice for taller riders, offering a stable and enjoyable ride. Overall, the Puckipuppy Labrador is a top-tier off-road e-bike that lives up to its reputation as an adventurer among electric bikes. Whether you're exploring rugged mountain trails or simply enjoying a ride through the countryside, this bike is ready to accompany you on your next outdoor adventure. The blend of power, comfort, and durability ensures that every ride is memorable and enjoyable. If you're in the market for a reliable off-road e-bike, the Puckipuppy Labrador is a choice you won't regret.